So welcome back. So today we're going to be doing another chicken stir fry, chicken fried rice in a wok. I know I did it before, but I think I could do it a lot better. So here we go. So what we have here, we have 3 eggs that are scrambled. We have half a cup of onions, half a cup of carrots. We have 1 chopped, diced chicken breast. We have toasted sesame seeds. We have 2 teaspoons of pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of canola oil, and then 3 cups of rice. Now also the toasted sesame seeds, they're about 2 tablespoons of that. Okay, now that the pot's heating up, the wok's heating up, we're going to add some oil. We're going to add about half of the canola oil, so about 2 tablespoons. Let that heat up nice. And then we'll add our chicken to it. Now to meet the woks on medium-high heat. Shouldn't take long to cook that chicken. Add about a teaspoon of salt. About a teaspoon of pepper. Make sure you season it. Chicken's almost done. Now we want to remove the chicken, set it aside. Now we're going to add the remaining canola oil. We're going to add our carrots. We're going to cook this for about a minute. And then we're going to add the onions. Now the onions go in. And I forgot to mention that in the ingredients there is also some garlic herb butter. I'm putting the recipe in the description, so it'll be listed there. Cook this until the onions start to just turn translucent until you get soft. Now I want to push them to the side to make room for the eggs. Now we add the eggs. Scramble the eggs, cook the eggs. Now when that's cooking, we're going to add the remaining salt and pepper. Now you want to mix the onions, the carrots, and the eggs together. Now you want to reintroduce the chicken. Make sure it's all incorporated nicely. This dish is almost done, believe it or not. Now I want to add the rice carefully. Add the rice. Now this rice has been in the refrigerator. Now you want to cook the rice a day ahead of time. And put it in the refrigerator so it dries out a little bit. Mix everything up nicely. And break up the rice if it's all in little knots or little balls. Break it up, no problem. Now that the rice is warmed through, now you want to add your garlic butter. Your garlic herb butter. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of that, maybe even 3. It's up to you. It's all to your taste. Now let's get that melted in. Oh yeah, smells good. Now that the herb butter is melted, go ahead and soy sauce. Again, this is all to taste. And the soy sauce. Make sure everything's incorporated. Now we're going to add our sesame seeds. And mix that all in there. Turn the heat off, because believe it or not, this is done. Get a rice bowl, and let's see what we got. All right, and here we have chicken fried rice. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Try it out for yourself. It's very delicious. That being said, this is ShraShira. Enjoy yourself, and I'm out.